Now we're going to crochet the head of our turtle. For this piece, I'm going to use beige yarn. The head is worked in a round and is a simple shape, so it's great even if you're still getting comfortable with the amigurumi. Start with a magic ring. Work 6 single crochets into the ring. And you should have 6 stitches. Pull the ring closed. For round 2, work 2 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. When you're finished, you'll have 12 stitches. Go ahead and place a stitch marker here. For rounds 3 through 5, we're not increasing or decreasing. Just work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Now we'll start shaping the head. Single crochet in the next stitch, then single crochet the next 2 stitches together. Repeat that pattern all the way around. At the end of this round, you should have 8 stitches. For rounds 7 and 8, single crochet in each stitch around, keeping 8 stitches. After you finish round 8, fasten off, but be sure to leave a long tail for sewing. Lightly stuff the head, shaping it as you go. That's it for the turtle's head. Once it's stuffed and shaped, set it aside and we'll move on to the next piece in the following video. Thanks for crocheting along with me. I'll see you there.